welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that notification button down below. Like this video. I need everybody to actually, who watches this video, even if you don't watch video the whole way through, like it. Please like it. It helps our channel out. It helps us out a lot. Like my last video, I got like 34 views, but only 6 likes. Come on now, y'all. Help a sister out on the way. Like everybody that watched my video should like my video. Period. And if you dislike it, thank you for watching it. That's all I gotta say. So we're gonna get into this video. Y'all see my HelloFresh box, my HelloFresh. Thank you. Ever since this coronavirus started, I have been ordering my foods online. I'm not going into the store for anything except for Lysol and cleaning products. Period. Cleaning products. So we're gonna get into this. Okay, so this is a quick and easy meal. It takes 30 minutes total. Prep is 5 minutes. I already did my prep because y'all know that takes a while. And I don't want y'all to be watching a super long video. So everything comes with the meals. I ordered 3 meals, but today we're cooking ginger lime salmon. As you can see, I have the salmon right here. I left it in my refrigerator. I have the salmon right here. It's still good. I left it in the refrigerator for 5 days. I know I work overnight. It also came with broccoli, which I prepped already. Prepped, washed, and cleaned, and dried already. It also comes with the ginger, the lime, the cilantro. So, the scallions, my bad, I call it cilantro. Y'all know me. The scallions. It also comes with jasmine rice. Little packet of jasmine rice. So with this one, you're gonna need like a small pot to put it in. Also sesame seeds. I think that goes on top of the fish. It comes with sesame seeds. If y'all could see, hold on. If y'all could see these, it comes with sesame seeds. Okay, and it also comes with seafood seasoning. A little bag of seafood seasoning for your fish, for your salmon. So it also comes with this little paper, I guess you call it instructions on how to cook the meal. I don't have no discount code right now, but if you go on HelloFresh.com, they have discount codes because we're not at 1K. And when we get to 1K, then we will have a discount code because this is my first time using it. Hello, HelloFresh, how you doing? Help us out, you know. As soon as I hit that program to get monetized, thank you. And it actually shows you how to cook it. And I'll put it in the description box. I'll put it in the corner somewhere and also in the description box so you can actually see how to cook it. I also have the app just in case I need to know how to cook it and what I'm doing. I'm wearing gloves, of course. You always have to wear gloves, especially with this epidemic going around. So I done showed y'all. It comes with this little cute, they come with these dinners come in this cute little bag. Cute little bag piece right here. I pay monthly for my meals to come in the mail. Monthly, sis, that's all you gotta do. So, and it also comes with some more about the app and stuff like that. It comes with a welcome kit. This is the back piece. And the other meals that I ordered, which I'll be cooking, I'm gonna be recording. These are for my meal preps, and I'll also show you how to meal prep everything. I got pulled pork tacos. My bad, Rio Rancho pulled pork tacos. Veggie penne bake, cause I love me some pasta. Ooh, love me some pasta. But this is the quickest meal. Actually, let me see these tacos real quick. Oh, the tacos are 20 minutes. I didn't feel like having pulled pork today, so we're not doing that today. So anyways, let's get into it. Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think of my new segment, my new HelloFresh segment. And I will be getting an apron with Budget Queen on it. Budget Queen on it. YouTube Life of a Budget Queen. And I will be wearing it every time I cook. And I will be adding more to the channel, like cooking, cleaning videos, DIY, shopping. Still doing my shopping haul. Take y'all to grocery stores because y'all need to see some stuff, you know. Let's get to cooking. Since it's Sunday, praise the Lord. It's Sunday, praise the Lord. My refrigerator's scared out of me. Praise the Lord, let's get to cooking. Hey y'all, so right now I'm cooking the jasmine rice. I'll be adding some ginger with it, some cut up ginger. And I add a little butter as the instructions noted and some salt. Alright you guys, we're on to step 3 with the broccoli. We're going to put some olive oil in the pan. We're going to put it in the oven for 425 degrees and for about 10 to 15 minutes. So that's what you're going to put your broccoli and your sesame seeds on. Put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper for the seasonings. Let me know, comment below, and let me know if y'all did this before roasting y'all vegetables in the oven like this. I usually like to pan fry my vegetables, like cook them in the pan. But this is cute too. I didn't have no parchment paper today, but I will get some. So yeah, this is step number 3. Step 3. Okay, right now we're gonna cook the salmon. We're gonna prep it first. I have the salmon on some towel paper. We're gonna actually like tap the towel paper on the salmon, drain a little bit, drain out the excess fat. I wash my salmon. Make sure you wash your salmon, make sure it's good. Then you're gonna put some salt and pepper on it for a little seasoning. That was in the exact instructions. So y'all see what I'm doing. Y'all see what I'm doing. Also, follow me on Instagram. Steffi X Love is my Instagram. It will be in my description box below. I usually put it in the bottom left-hand corner, but you know, it's a lot I'm doing today, so it's not there. So look in the description box. That's where I post all my new videos, what I'm doing on a daily basis, who I'm doing it with, when I go live, cooking. So y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think. I actually enjoyed this. Dinner. So good. Oh, so good. Telling you. Y'all gotta try Hello Fresh. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all have to. Period. 2020. Y'all gotta try something different. Alright, sisters, brothers. Alright. Let me stop talking. Listen to some music. Okay, so now I'm cooking the salmon. Make sure y'all flip it 1 to 2 minutes each. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook, fully cook. Make sure the bottom is crisp. There you go. All right, back to the music. Alright, you guys, so I got the ginger lime salmon, the broccoli, the jasmine rice with scallions and ginger, and the sauce that HelloFresh gave me with the scallions and the fish sauce and the seafood sauce. And I put a little lime on top, and this is what it is. I only add the seasonings that was provided to me by HelloFresh. So here's something new. Hope y'all like it. See y'all in April 4th. Going on a little hiatus. All right. Thank you, HelloFresh.